Adidas! Oh, this material is so thin. Letting you know so you don't get in the mail and be like, hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a Nike and an Adidas try on all together. I got some looks offline that are so cute. Every piece is fire in this video, so I'm forewarning you now. Hopefully these things do not sell out before this video goes live. If it does, I'm sorry, but I got them and I want you to get them too. So really quickly, the way you can shop my links is by scanning this QR code. It'll take you to my LTK, where every outfit I've ever featured has always been listed on LTK. It only goes on SHOPMY if I can't link it on LTK, and that will be linked down below. Or of course you can always shop in YouTube shopping, because you are able to buy within YouTube as well. So either way it go, whatever link that you click that is mine, you are still supporting my business and I greatly appreciate you. Quick reference of my sizing: I am 5'5" and I weigh about 170 pounds right now. I am normally a solid size 10, medium to some larges. I order up on some things because I really don't like tight clothes. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you like this video, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, I'm standing in front of this hot light and it's like heat radiating on me, along with this long wig. So if I start sweating or dripping, my makeup dripping off, just know it's because it's hot. We're gonna start off with Nike. I have the looks in my phone because I did do this try on yesterday, so my hair is different in that video, in those videos, versus today's hair for Adidas. That's what I love about taking off wigs on and off. Okay, this video shouldn't be too long because I don't have a lot of looks, but they're all fire. They're all fire pieces. So the first up is this Nike two-piece. It is sold separately. I love this sleeveless top with the cursive that says Nike. It is so cute, and it was like really affordable for that top. I love that you can wear this with jeans. I did pair it with this Nike skirt. The band has Nike written on it for like the detailing, and also a Nike check. The material is satin, but the only thing that they do not have in it is the shorts. There is no built-in shorts, so you will need to wear shorts underneath it, or if you want to just not, whatever, girl, do you, whatever. But I'll be wearing shorts underneath them whenever I do wear it. I love the white piping down the side. It's a super duper cute, giving girly chic mom vibes, sporty vibes, and I love it. Just paired this with some Nike dunks, panda dunks. You can't go wrong with that for an all black and white moment. You can always do a pop of color if you want to do with it, like a yellow bag, yellow glasses, or even the standard is red, kind of goes with black and white. Either way go, this is really cute. All right, next up is this jumper. So I did put this white camisole with it. This camisole has a built-in bra and it's from Amazon. I have so many of the tanks from Amazon with the built-in bra because this is the prime time of wearing them. But I did put that on there. This will be cute even with a bandeau, just like a bandeau across it is really cute. It's thin in material, so just know that it's very breathable. It's very lightweight, nothing super heavy, perfect for spring and summer. So I guess the material, to me, I can't say it's high quality, but it's super breathable. There is just, to me, I feel like this is the prime definition of quiet luxury. You can't really tell it's Nike until you see the Nike check on the back. The thing I like about this the most is that it can be reversible. You can have the Nike check in the front, or you can have the Nike check in the back. The pockets do go the back way if you was to wear it with the Nike in the front, but it's supposed to go with the Nike check in the back. But I did show both ways of how you can reverse it. Either way, I think the pants are harem pants, so they're, if you don't like any fitted clothes, you want to be chic, sporty, mom vibes, this is the perfect jumper for you. I really like it. I do feel like the material is, again, breathable, but for the price of it, it's kind of like, I don't know, I expected a little bit more out of it. Either way it go, it's still cute. I'm letting you know so you don't get in the mail and be like, oh, this material is so thin. I'm telling you now, it's thin material, but it's breathable, so that's a good thing about it. I mean, if you up north and it's too cool where you at, I wouldn't advise you buy this because you're gonna be cold. But if you're in the southern parts like me, Louisiana, and it's still hot, this is the one for you. Check your budget though. As always, anything that I show y'all, check your budget. Make sure it fit in, okay? Get in where you can fit in. And also, I did pair these with my 12 p.m. studio glasses. I love those. I've been rocking those since I got them, okay? They're good for indoor and outdoor. And of course, to go along with the black and white theme was my panda dunks to tie it all in together. So cute. All right, next up is this Nike cardigan along with these Nike wide leg sweatpants. Now I got these pants last fall. I had them in gray, green, and now in black as well. I love these pants because they're super over exaggerated, wide leg. When I wore them a couple weeks ago, I actually wore them on a Saturday and a Sunday because they were so comfortable. The only thing that I would change in them is that, like, they zip up on the side, so it kind of gives you a, you know, like, snug fit. But after I ate, like, the zipper was coming undone. So I wish they had a clasp to keep it tight at the top, because it'll roll if your rolls roll over it. So that's probably like my only con with those pants. They're so cute. They're giving the Jock Moose, the expensive over exaggerated Jock Moose pants, they're giving those vibes for a fraction. Those pants are like $800. These were, I think, $140, $150, but I will have to see if I can link them, because last I checked they were sold out. But that's why I like them, because like black goes with anything. And these are also quiet luxury, because you really can't tell that they're Nike. There's just a small emblem on the waist part of them, and it can be easily dressed up or dressed down. The material is amazing. I was able to wash those on Delicate. I was supposed to bring them to the cleaners, but I knew I needed to film the very next day, and I didn't want to pay the expedited fee for my cleaner to clean them, so I ended up washing them here on Delicate Cycle and hung dried them and just steamed them, and they were like brand new. But if you are like me and then buying it, or if you want to wash your own clothes, they wash really well. They did not fade or anything like that. So just know. Now this cardigan top, to me, I did get this in a medium. It said on the listing fitted. I just didn't realize it was that fitted. I absolutely love it. I just wish that I did send it back so I can get a large, because it was way more fitted than I would want it to be, because I want to have the option to wear it open or closed. It does double zip. The quality on that cardigan, 10 out of 10. Amazing. But depending on how you like your clothes to fit, just keep in mind on whether you should order true to size or order up. Again, me, I don't like tight stuff, so I want to order up. I will order up. Moving right along on to this red dress, y'all. This dress is so cute. I just paired this with my Coach mules. Love my Coach mules. I usually wear them just in the fall, but I thought they would be cute with this outfit, because I don't have any red and white dunks, and I want to stick with the Nike theme, but I didn't have any red and white to go with that, so I did it with that, and I think it's really cute. It's fitted, it's ruching on the side. I love how it has the exposed hem around the collar and also on the sleeves that's kind of rolled up, and just a simple Nike right here, the chest area. Cute. Fitted. I got a size medium in that. I like it. It has one split on the side. It's like the terry cloth material, just so you know. There is some stretch, not like a whole lot of stretch, but there is some stretch. It's super comfortable, and I think it runs true to size, because that's what I truly am, is a medium. But again, I always order up. All right, now this last look from Nike has me in a chokehold. I told you every look is gonna be fire, okay? Now these jeans are not Nike. These are Free People. I've shown them 1,000 times. Again, investment, but so worth. I've got my cost per wear in these, and Walmart has an exact dupe to those. If the Free People ones are not in your budget, I find myself reaching for both of them, honestly, because I wear them all the time. I love these jeans. But I think these barrel jeans go great with this cropped hoodie. It is like that quilted material. Let me grab it. It is like that not quilted, like that terry cloth material. It is so cute, and it's just a Jordan sign right over the part right here. I paired it with this hat. I just feel like I am that girl in this outfit. All I needed was a red lip to pop it off, and I would have been, I know. But you gotta toot your own self. You gotta toot your own horn sometimes, okay? And I know I would be that girl when I do wear this outfit, because I love it. And I love that this hoodie you can wear even with the pants that I showed before with the cardigan, or you can wear it with jeans. So I feel like you can even dress it up with a skirt and some tennis shoes, and it'll still give like that street chic vibe, my vibe, which is what I kind of like. I like chic athleisure wear, and Nike and Adidas have been doing it for me. But this look with the hat, girl, is so cute. It's a 47 hat. I have about 15 of the 47 hats. The brand 47. I love them. I don't really care about the New York, LA. I don't care about that part of it. Y'all can have all that of the teams. I just like the fit of this. I have a really big head, and those hats fit me even with my wig on. So if you have a big head, girl, you want to wear a baseball cap, the cute ones, not the ones that look like the cute with the cute bill and all that. 47 is the brand that you need to be ordering from, because you will not be disappointed. It is so, I love them. I love all of mine. All right, now we're moving on to Adidas. because my husband is an Adidas man. He loves Adidas. I'm more of a Nike girl, but I do like Adidas too. But Adidas to me is a more affordable prices versus Nike. But I just like the look and the chicness of Nike. So I gravitate more buying Nike than Adidas in clothes. But my Adidas Sambas go hard, okay? I got about 12 pairs of Adidas Sambas in every color, and I had to tell myself to stop because I ran out of room on my tower. So let's go and get into this Adidas try on. The first look is this orange cropped t-shirt. It's a t-shirt material. It's not like the dry fit material. It's a t-shirt material along with these fluorescent hot pink pants. They're wide leg. I love the design of them. They have like this orange thing to them with like the black stripes on the side, but the stripes do not go all the way down. I am 5'5", and all of my Adidas pants are very long. I really feel like Adidas and Nike leans more towards athletic people who are 9 times out of 10 more taller people, 5'7", 5'8", you know, 5'9", 6 foot. These pink pants do have a netting on the inside of them. You can like harem the bottom of them if you want to. Not crop, but you know what I'm talking about. You can do that to the bottom. You can do that to the bottom of it with the drawstring if you wanted to do that. The pants and the tops do not go together. I was just on the website trying to figure out, I was trying to find a top to match those pants. And I also had got this top, the one that I have on, to go with those pants as well. I just didn't try those two on because it does have black in it. It just doesn't have any white in it. So I was like, I don't know how it's gonna look together, but I did order this top to go with that as well. But the orange doesn't look bad. The only thing I would change is if the emblem on the top was black, then it would be chef's kiss, a dominant match. But either way go, it's still cute. If you're into color, I think this set or this look would be really cute for you. All right, next up, this is what got me on the Adidas site in the first place. That darn Pinterest, okay? I go to Pinterest almost every morning. Okay, my guilty pleasure is, or guilty, whatever you want to call it, I don't like any type of alerts on my phone. Like if I have an email, it bothers me. If I have a text message, I have to clear it. Well, Pinterest always gets me because there's an alert or a notification on my Pinterest every day. So every morning I am opening up Pinterest. Well, these pants happen to pop up on my Pinterest, and I said, oh, these are cute because they're pleated. They're not the standard wide leg one. So I got on the site, clicked on it, and I'm like, I started scrolling. Then I saw that they had this top to go with it. I immediately add to cart. Immediately add to cart, y'all. This is so cute, and the material of it is like different. Like it's kind of like a little stretchy like material. The jacket does double zip, so you can zip it up from the bottom. You can wear it with like a cropped open. You could pop the collar. It's sleeveless, and then what's good about this is that you can wear it even in the wintertime because you could just put on a long sleeve black shirt underneath it. I love the pants. I love the top. I love the pants. I love the set. This is definitely my most favorite out of all of the looks. This is my #1 look because a good neutral color too. I'm really not a neutral girl. I'm not scared of color. I will wear color with no problem. My sister is a huge neutral girl, so I think she would love this too. So anybody else that's out there that just like want to look cute and chic put together, but in your comfort zone of neutral colors, this set is for you. I'm wearing a size medium in both the top and the bottom. I absolutely love it, and I'm trying to plot where I'm gonna wear that to. I don't know, girl. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it to, but she gonna be worn because I'm gonna be cute. Okay, you need to get it too so you can be cute with me, girl. We could be twins. Obviously, it's something with me and red dresses because I got the one in Adidas, okay? This one is really stretchy. Got it in a size extra large, and let me tell you why. Because last year, I ordered a red and white dress, and I can remember to send it to my editor to pop up a picture of it. It was red, white, and black, I believe, for a try-on that I did last year. It was way more fitted than I would have liked, okay? And that was a size medium. So to me, in this type of dress or that type of dress that I ordered, I really feel like it was very cinching and tight. I've said it about 15 times in this video. I don't like tight clothes. So I ordered up into an extra large, and to me it fits more like a large, if I'm being honest. The dress is supposed to be fitted. However, this one does hug you all in the right places, and this one has a lot more stretch than the one that I had last year. I am happy with the fit in the extra large. I will not be returning that one. I love how it looks. I just paired it with these red and white Sambas. They're so comfortable too. Like, they're not just for fashion. I've worn these to the park. I've worn these to the rodeo. I've worn these for miles, and they're super comfortable too. So love me some Adidas Sambas. But I think that looks really cute with the red and white. It matches perfectly. Paired it with a red bag and red glasses. and you're good to go. You can just call me Miss Little Red Robin Hood because I like red. Obviously, I got it in the Nike and in the Adidas. So you have your options. You choose whichever one is in your budget, which one you think looks good, and use me as a sizing reference so you can make a educated purchase on the correct sizing. So you don't have to do any returns. Who wants to do returns? You know? I don't. However, I always say I am the return queen because I don't mind return. If I'm not in love, you gotta go back. Okay? I'm an influencer. I get free stuff. I buy stuff. I'm already paying for storage right now because of all the stuff that I have. If there's not a place for it to go in my closet and I'm not in love, okay, yeah. But I don't want to do that. So these are the ones that I'm definitely keeping. Okay, moving on. We're almost to the end of the video. This next up is this white and black top with these black and white pants that I'm still wearing right now. Y'all, this top is everything. I love how it's made. So as you can see, the cut of the top, it goes like this. So it definitely, it's not a boxy, it's supposed to fit you fitted like that. It's supposed to be a little oversized in the shoulders or with the sleeves, and then like snatch you up in the waist, and it definitely did that. I did order this in a size medium. It is so cute. Now I have mine a little like shrunken up because I wanted to get that look, showing a little belly, you know what I mean? Or you could tuck it in. If you want to do that too, you can tuck it in. Either way go. I love this top. I think it's so cute. I think my only issue that I will have with this top is keeping it clean, because me and white tops don't always go together real bad, which is why I always got me a Shout or a Tide pen close, because I'm gonna get some makeup on it when I'm putting it on, or it's inevitable. Me and white, and I waste food on my side. So that's the only issue that I have with it, but I'm confident that I will get the stain out. So I don't know if they have other colors, but I'll definitely have it linked down below for you to shop. The pants are wide leg. They are the standard Adidas wide leg pants. It has these zip up pockets, so you can always just zip it up and not lose your keys. They can stay in place. I am 5'5", and these are still long on me. I have not gotten any of my Adidas pants hemmed, so I don't know what the cost would be for that, or if it's possible. It's just windbreaker material. I don't know. I feel like I can just do a stitch gun at the bottom of these pants and make them fit. It has the emblem on the pants. Love it, love it, love it. I love the black and white. It just goes together completely beautifully. These are some brand new Sambas that I just got from Sam's. I posted them on my Instagram story. You should be following me on Instagram. If you're not, you should be following me, because I do post things that like I buy same day. I'm like, hey, I just got these. Put a link for you to shop. They sold out the very next day. So, but I did get these from Sam's, and my first time wearing them. They are beautiful. They're beautiful and they're comfortable. I have some black and white Sambas, the basic black and white and gray ones, the very first pair that I have them. I just don't know where they at. I feel like they're in my room. I operate out of 3 places in my house, and they're in one of them. I just didn't feel like doing it, so I was like, let me pull out the new ones, and they go perfectly. I love them. Last but not least, if you don't like that top, or if it's hot like it is here in Louisiana, you can always go with this top to go with the same pants. I don't want to take it off because it's so comfortable. Okay, I got the pants in a medium. I'll tell you, I got that in a medium. I did get this shirt in a large, and it fits perfectly because it's considered to be a baby tee. I knew that it would be more fitted, and I didn't want it to be too fitted on me. And honestly, I love the way it looks. I love the fit of it. There is a little Adidas emblem on the back of it, and I love the cursive writing of Adidas on it. It is embroidered material. There's a little stretch, but not much, because I feel like it's supposed to be a baby fitted tee. It's not supposed to be loose fitting, so it fits perfectly on me. I absolutely love it. I love how this looked with the black and white. Super comfortable. These pants to me are lightweight. The black and white pants, these are lightweight, so I think they're still perfect for the spring summertime. These to me are a little bit, these are more heavy duty. I didn't tell y'all, the bottom of it, the pants, you can also drawstring them to make them tight. If you don't like wide leg, you have that option too. But these are much thicker, and these have the material are not the same on these and that. I don't know how to explain it, but they're not the same. But these are more thicker than the black and white ones, and the pink ones, of course, those are different too, because they have like a netting inside of it. So all 3 of them are different, but they all work. So I hope that helps in any type of way. Anywho, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you found something that you could purchase for any event or just to wear for your closet. I'll have everything linked down below. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. On your way out, I will check you guys out in my next video. Mwah. Bye.